Hello, my friends, welcome back. Today it's a grammar lesson and we will revise on the past simple tense. First, we will remember together what the meaning of the past simple tense. The past simple tense means something happened and finished in the past. And we said that we have the uncle past. He has two boys. The first one, regular verbs. He is a good boy, but we have the irregular verbs, and he is a naughty boy. First, we will revise together how can I form a sentence with the regular verb. If I wanted to form a sentence with the regular verbs or good verbs, we will start with the subject. Then I will put the verb or the regular verb. Then I will put ed to the verb. So with the regular verbs in the past, I will put ed. Then I will put rest of the sentence and don't forget the full stop. For example, they played together yesterday. Here we have the verb play. It's a regular verb or good verb, so we will put ed. Another example, I watched TV last night. Here we have the verb watch. It's a regular verb, so we will put ed. Let's remember the key words of the past. If we see yesterday, last, ago, in the past, that means this sentence in the past. So the key words of the past, yesterday, last, ago, in the past. And now let's revise how can I form a sentence with the irregular verbs or naughty verbs. If I wanted to form a sentence with the irregular verbs, we will start with the subject, then I will put the verb, then I will put the rest of the sentence, but don't forget the full stop. But here, in this case, with the irregular verbs or with the naughty verbs, Uncle Past will punish the irregular verbs. So he will make a magic. So with the irregular verb, we will make a magic. For example, this verb eat in the past, it will be ate. So eat, it's verb in infinitive. In the past, it will be ate. Another verb, go. In the past, went. Another verb, buy. In the past, bought. So, with the irregular verbs or naughty verbs, we will make a magic. And now let's revise what the past of the irregular verbs. We will start with the verb have and has. Have and has in the past had. What we did here, we said that the irregular verbs are naughty verbs. So we made a magic with these verbs. Have and has in the past had. Another one, do and does in the past did. So do and does in the past did. And with the verb be, am and is in the past was, and are in the past were. And with the verb go, in the past went. So go with in the past will be what? Went. Eat in the past ate. Drink in the past drunk. See In the past, so. Buy. In the past, bought. Sell. In the past, sold. Send. In the past, sent. Take. In the past, took. Fly. In the past, flow. Give. In the past, gave. So, with the irregular verbs, we did what? A magic. Now let's read some examples on the irregular verbs. Number 1, I go to the school yesterday. We have here the keyword yesterday. That means this sentence in the past. And we have here the verb go. It's from which verbs? From the irregular verbs or from the regular verbs? Go from the irregular verbs. So we will make a magic. Go in the present will be what in the past? Go will be went. Go, went. So it will be I went to the school yesterday. So go in the past will be went. Another one, they drank milk last night. Here we have the keyword last night. Last night is the keyword of the past. So you have to put the verb in the past. Drink here, it's from which group? From the regular verbs or from the irregular verbs? From the irregular verbs. So drink will be what in the past? What? Drunk. So the sentence will be they drank milk last night. Now let's revise on the negative form with the simple past. First we will revise on the negative form in the present. The negative in the present with don't or doesn't. Then I will put the verb in infinitive, and the verb in infinitive means no s, no es, no ing, no ed, no naughty verbs. And the negative in the past with didn't. Let's remember that we said that do and does in the past did. So the negative in the past with didn't. So the negative in the past with didn't. Then I will put the verb in infinitive, and the verb in infinitive means no s, no es, no ing, no ed, no naughty verbs. So the negative form in the past we will start with the subject. Then I will put didn't, and after didn't I will put the verb in infinitive, and the verb in infinitive means no s, no es, no ing, no ed, no naughty verbs. Examples. Number 1, I ate fish last Friday. Here I wanted to put not, and not means negative. So the negative in the past with didn't. So it will be I didn't eat fish last Friday. Here I put the negative didn't, then I will put the verb in infinitive, and the infinitive of the verb ate, eat, eat. The verb in infinitive and in the past ate. So after didn't we will put the verb in infinitive. That means no s, no es, no ing, no ed, no naughty verbs. Another one, it rained last week. Here I wanted to put not, and not means negative, and the negative in the past with didn't. So it will be it didn't rain last week. And we said that After we put didn't, we put the verb in infinitive. That means no S, no ES, no ING, no ED, no naughty verbs. Here we don't put rained, we put rain. The verb in infinitive of rained, rain. And now let's answer together some questions. Choose number 1. We didn't buy or buys or bought a new car 10 years ago. Here it's a negative sentence. And after didn't, we said that we put the verb in infinitive. That means no S, no ES, no ING, no ED, no naughty verbs. So we will choose the verb buy. Number 2, I see or saw or says the moon in the sky last night. In this sentence, we have the keyword of the past last night. So we will choose the verb in the past and the past of the verb see, saw. So we will choose the verb saw. Number 3, Hiba don't or doesn't or didn't do her homework yesterday. We have here the keyword of the past, yesterday, so we'll choose the negative in the past with didn't. So we'll choose didn't. Number 4, Alia has or have or had a ruler yesterday. Yesterday is a keyword of the past, so we'll choose the past of the verb has or had. We said that the past of the verb has and have in the past had. So we'll choose had. Number 5, my father sell or sold or sells his car last week. We have here the keyword of the past last week. And here we will choose the past of sell, sold, sell, sold. So we will choose sold. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for watching.